Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. And we are going to talk about what a newbie-friendly system looks like. What you would expect from a system in that respect. And number one, you definitely expect that a newbie-friendly system means you don't have to have any experience to get started, because that's the whole point. It's made and put together so people that are totally brand new, that have never done entrepreneur, never been an entrepreneur, never had their own business, never worked from home, could do this newbie-friendly system. So that is really key, that there's no experience and that it is put together in a way that they can do that system. And so, and of course, it's not going to be complicated, right? It has to be easy to get set up and get started. Otherwise, you know, that isn't newbie friendly, and that's what we're looking at. And this is what I want to go over with you and tell you exactly what a newbie friendly system would look like. And so first, with a newbie friendly system, you would expect to know exactly where to start. You know, a lot of people get involved with a business. They have no clue once they get in what to do and where to start and where to go from there. You know, how do they do it? What do they do every day? And a newbie-friendly system will definitely tell them exactly what to do every day that works for them. And this is how come the system's put together like that, so people can do that. They can start. There's actually a start here button in our system that people push that can go to the exact training, teaching of what you need to do, really need to do, not just some arbitrary old kind of stuff that's been in there for years and it's outdated. No, we're not talking about outdated. We're talking about up-to-date, cutting-edge information that we do now that works. That's the important thing. Your instructions need to be that way, right? They need to be vibrant and really works now kind of thing. I mean, you know, so that's very important, that you have information and steps, and basically it's a step-by-step with videos. So it's not complicated. You hit the start here button and it tells you exactly what to do step-by-step with videos that are a few minutes in time. So you're not like sitting there a long time. You're just doing step-by-step videos that are just a few minutes long. Now that's newbie friendly. Definitely newbie friendly. Newbies can do that. You stay there and you go through each step. I think there's like 5 steps with our system. So that's what I'm talking about for newbie friendly. You can sit there and go through each step with a video. And that's huge to have a video, because you can see it and hear it and implement it. And of course you have support to help you if you get stuck too, which is important. So that is very much part of a newbie-friendly system. And then this other thing I want to talk about too was, a lot of times any kind of system that you have, that you're marketing online and you're introducing people to what you have, your products, etc., you need a lot of things lined up for that. You know, like websites, emails and sales pages and just a lot of stuff. Well, I would say that that's not very newbie friendly. If you have to set up emails, if you have to copy paste, and you have to go through all of that. You have to have an autoresponder, and you have to have a website, and then you got to have a sales page, and it gets kind of complicated because it is a skill set. It is not a newbie friendly system if you've got to set that up, really, because that's a skill set that is learned, and that's why our multi six-figure income earner knows that skill set, and she sets up the website and the sales page and the email swipes that have to go out so people can learn more. Because really the flow is somebody goes to your page because they want to know more about your business, and they opt in. Okay, so your front page needs to look pretty good, and that's multi six-figure earners knows how that is to be. And then inside, once they opt in, they get a really breakdown of the business. They really get a good idea what it's about. And then you get emails to give you lots of different variations of information to help you understand what it's all about. That's the bottom line. But to put all that in place, to put your emails and your autoresponders and your webpage, sales page, and then your capture page is a big job. It requires a skill set. And as a newbie friendly person with our system, you don't have to do any of that. It is all put together and all in place for you to get started. So that's one reason why it's so newbie friendly. The steps and the videos that you go through are simple and easy, and they help you create these habits that anybody can do, but if you don't do them consistently, they don't do any good. And that's really what we're talking about. That's really what's involved when you start a business. But see, with our system, it's already set up for you. You already have training. You already know exactly what to do. You already know each step with a couple minute video. So you're like, no big deal. You can watch it again if you need to. You can implement it, and you can just simply do it, which is what's important, because then you learn the steps that it takes to be consistent and to earn income online. And it's newbie friendly, totally newbie friendly, which we definitely want. You don't have to have this huge skill set to put it together, right? And another reason why businesses fail, and probably the number one reason businesses fail, is because they don't have traffic. You know, if you have a business and you don't have any kind of traffic, then you're not going to have eyeballs in your business. It's dead. Totally dead. And because our business has eyeballs, it has highest quality eyeballs set up for you, hand-picked for you by a six-figure earner, tested everything. I mean, I've been getting paid every week since I joined the end of May. Every week. Now, what's that tell you? Consistently high-quality leads that convert. That's what we're talking about. If you don't have a system that has that in place, forget it. You know, and especially if you're new, you're going to waste hundreds of dollars on leads or whatever people tell you to go do, and it's not going to work, and you're going to be out of money, and it's going to be over. Totally over. So newbie-friendly system takes care of every aspect of your business, and all you do is the simple steps that you're trained to do in the start here button that you go to when you get involved, and you have a team that supports each other. So if you have a question about anything, it's no big deal. People can help you, and they even have coaches that they assign to people when you first get in to help you get started, to answer your questions. So, I mean, when do you ever find something like that? A system that is truly newbie friendly, that you don't have to wonder what to do. You don't have to be confused once you join where to go and what to do. There's all these videos, there's all this information, but you don't know what to do with it. Sure, you could listen to it, but what do you do? We have a start here button you push on, and it lays it out what you do every day perfectly. I've been following that plan every day since I joined, and I've been earning money every day. I've earned over $3,000 and continue to earn, and that's why a newbie friendly system is just so important today, when people just don't know. People are lost. Most people don't know how to make it work. They spend so much time and money, and they never make a dime. You know, we have people that apply what they're to do. When they apply the simple steps, they will earn. And I love that about our system. I love that about having a newbie friendly system, and I'm so thankful we have that. I'm so excited because anybody can do it. And if you need another income stream, if you need a main income stream, you know, you should jump on board, because that's exactly what we have. And I just appreciate you watching the video to listen to what a newbie friendly system looks like. And you want to go to my link below and check it out. Get on that page and go through the system exactly like I never made it. I never messed with it. You know, our six-figure earner, multiple six-figure earner, created the whole thing. And it is a blessing because I never have to worry about it. It works and works well. So thanks. Go to my description, check out our system, and see for yourself. And thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.